Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to add extra shutter button in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. First of all, open camera on your phone and see here. This is shutter button. If you press shutter button, photo will be taken. Okay. If you would like to add extra more shutter button, yes, you can do it. You can add extra one. Okay. For that, what you have to do is go to the settings icon of the camera here. And then go to shooting methods, go to camera settings, then go to shooting methods, here, and here select floating shutter button option. Just turn on this button. Now extra shutter button will be attached to the camera. See here, this is extra shutter button. Okay, you can press this shutter button too for taking photos. Okay, see here, I am taking this photo. Okay, for completing, and just press this shutter button, extra shutter button. So in this way you can easily set extra shutter button, and the extra shutter button may be moved anywhere, and it can be fixed anywhere on the screen. Okay, according to your convenient you can fix anywhere. Okay, then to take photo, just press on the extra shutter button. Also main shutter button will work. Okay, so in this way you can easily create another shutter button, and you can locate that shutter button anywhere on the screen according to your convenience and take photos easily. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.